posted one single TikTok video of this new product I was testing, and within a couple of days, it went viral. To be honest, I didn't even know it was going viral. And that's why I only made $1,400 in revenue instead of making maybe 5 to 10K from this one single video. But the page still grew from 0 to 40,000 followers with this single video. That single TikTok video now has 2 million views with 122,000 likes. And now every single video I post is getting at least 6 figures in views, if not more. And this is the exact strategy that I use when I'm first starting out and launching a brand new TikTok, Instagram, YouTube page. And I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can launch your first TikTok, Instagram, YouTube page and get similar results when you're first testing out a new product. This is the TikTok page. I'm not going to show exactly what the page is or what the product is because it is currently being sold, but you can see, right? In literally just a month, we were able to gain 41,000 followers on TikTok with a video that literally hit 122,000 likes, okay? And look at the sales, right? From a simple TikTok video, one single video, okay? Where we're just showcasing the product. The video got 2 million views. So you're probably wondering, how did that happen and how can you do the same thing? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you here today. Keep in mind, this was all done with zero ad spend. We didn't run any paid ads. We just went viral on TikTok, which got us thousands and thousands of followers and led us to making thousands of dollars in revenue. So you can see zero ad spend, no paid ads, just strictly make content and then post it onto TikTok and other platforms. How is this done? How can you do the same and replicate our success? Well, as you can see, this is the framework that you want to follow. From scripts that go viral, so just making scripts, brainstorming them to go viral, filming content of your product, custom content, buying the product, actually filming proper content of that product. Next, taking all the content that you filmed and editing it on CapCut. Then, testing out 21 videos on 4 different platforms. This is exactly how you want to do it. You have to test 21 videos to see how the results will be. The video I got to 1.8 million views, that was literally the second post we posted on the page. Some people will say it's luck, but honestly, it's just knowing what to post. So let's go more into depth about this framework and how it's done. So brainstorming videos, you need to brainstorm every single video you make. I have literally 21 videos all scripted out. I write the exact script that's going to be used in the video, as well as what to put in that video and what to do when I'm filming the content. Because when you're filming the content, you want to get every single angle. Let's say, for example, you're selling this phone case. You want to show every single angle of this phone case, different types of angles, show the benefits of the phone case, show why this product is so great. Because essentially you're trying to sell the customer your product, right? You're trying to sell them, but without actually showing, you're selling a product. You want them to be fans of your brand. It's important to brainstorm videos that are going to break the algorithm. 90% of people literally fail here because they don't know what types of videos to make. They don't brainstorm anything. They just post on the fly with no thought process behind it. Everything that we post onto TikTok, Instagram, YouTube is all brainstormed. We script everything first, film, and then we start posting. So let's say you have the product now. We have the product. Next thing is you want to have a tripod or somewhere where you can put your phone or camera and then you can film your content. It's important to have good lighting because the better the lighting, the better the video is going to perform. If you have a low quality video with poor lighting, it looks bad and boring, people are not going to trust you. The next thing I would say is get a POV harness. Get this little harness you can put around yourself and then you can actually showcase a POV view of the product. These types of videos perform super good, and honestly, that's all the type of content we make when we're posting because those videos go viral. So make sure you have a POV harness like that. And then lastly, you want to film in areas that have a nice aesthetically pleasing area. So let's say like a room with some plants. You have a plant here, so I like to film my content there. Maybe outside. Sometimes I'll even go to hotels and film. So when I was first starting out, I would literally just go to hotels or malls and film content because, you want it to look good and I didn't have an area that I could film at. So that's what you want, a nice area to film at. If you can do all of these, like get the product in hand to make original custom content, have good lighting and a tripod to hold your camera, have a POV harness to get that POV view of your product. And lastly, an aesthetically pleasing area where you can film at, you will see great success with your videos. So when it comes to editing your video, this is the main reason why your videos are going to go viral. Having good quality content that you're posting is key. The first 3 seconds is literally everything. This is when you hook in the viewer into your video. Next 7 seconds, you want to showcase the problem. What is the problem? Showcase the benefits of the product, how the product is great. And then the final 3 seconds, provide a solution. Provide why your product will solve that problem for the customer. Something that's really important that you have to understand is you want to make sure your videos are very fast and upbeat. So I like to have my videos like 1 second this, 1 second that, 1 second this, 1 second that, and just keep going 1 second to make a 10 to 12 second video. This is the best way to do it, and I've seen the best results like this. And in every single clip, you want to have like a transition. So like boom this, then boom that, then boom this, right? Just keep having it very fast and upbeat, because the people who are watching your videos are coming from short form platforms. They have a low attention spans. They're scrolling all day, and you want to make sure that the video is fast and upbeat so they stay engaged with the video. Actually watch the entire video, comment, because at the end of the day, you want them to stop scrolling, you want them to watch your entire video, and you want them to comment on your video. When TikTok sees this, they're going to reward you. They're going to push your video to more people, and that's going to make your video go viral. So keep that in mind. This rule right here, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. It's so important. People fail on it. They'll just put an entire video of one thing for literally 10 seconds, and it's just boring, and people will just scroll away. So this is the content creation checklist you want to follow. So after going over everything I just said, this is what you want to do. You want to checklist this and make sure you're going through every single thing. Make sure you have great lighting, good lighting to film with. Make sure it looks clean and professional. Make sure your camera is a good quality camera, an iPhone preferably. If you can, like, get a camera. Like, I literally film all my content with my camera because it gives me the best quality possible, and the videos perform super good, right? Film an aesthetically pleasing area. Get some, plants in the background, a white background, get some nice flooring so it looks good, right? Some people I've seen, they have a desk and then they'll get fake marble and like different like props from Amazon. You can do that. You have to invest into the quality of content you're making. You just half-ass everything and just film random garbage in like with nothing planned. You're not going to get results, right? So keep that in mind when you're filming your content. And in these videos, you really want to focus on your product. Like if the product is a phone case, you want to focus on the phone case. Don't be showing like the plants or something or some random stuff. You want to focus mainly on the product that you're trying to sell. In these videos, you want to showcase the problem customers may be having, showcasing the benefit your product's going to give them, and then a call to action. Whenever you're posting, always comment after you post. Always respond to comments. Always tell them the offer that you're providing. It's important to provide the call to action, but do not put the call to action in the video. So like I said, keep it short and sweet, okay? Just very fast and upbeat. This is another TikTok page I ran in the past. We had 100,000 followers literally in like 2-3 months. Look at these views, right? Just from making videos on TikTok, right? It's super crazy. So this is an example of the strategy I always like to use when I'm first starting out a brand new TikTok page. This is my testing strategy. Okay, so you want to do text to speech back and forth between the customer and me. So the customer and the owner of the business, right? So always make sure it's a good quality camera you're using, good lighting, a nice background. Okay, in this video, showcase the product, problem, benefit, and then call to action, why they should buy the product. Now, copy your competition. I know people don't like to hear that. They say, oh, you shouldn't copy your competition. But if there's somebody who's doing really good with a TikTok page, whatever product it is, it could be a phone case, it could be, crease guards, it could be whatever. If they're doing really good, even if it's a different product, and they're doing really good, recreate those videos that are going viral for them. Because if it's going to work for them, it's going to work for you. This is the best strategy you can implement. And then once you find a video that's performing really good, keep recreating that video over and over again, because you're going to keep getting viral videos with that single script, okay? Next, usage of emojis. Showcase the two faces talking to each other exactly the same way. Make sure everything is lined up nicely, centered, and it looks clean. So this is the one that we like to use, customer to owner conversation, and that's the video plot we use. Always make sure you're using text to speech when you're making these videos. So like this face talking to this face, make sure when it says like, I'm scared to wear my new shoes, make sure there's a text to speech and it's like a woman talking, okay? So this is gonna help you get success fast. So now this is the way you want to test your product. You want to post every single day consistently. This is the most important thing, because if you stop posting, it's going to stop the performance of your account, and then it's just going to and then you're going to have to make a new account. So when you first launch, make sure you have all your videos prepared and post consistently every single day, 3 times a day for at least 1 week to see the results. What we like to do is we like to have a page on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and if you want as well, you can do Facebook. So if you have 4 platforms you're posting on, 21 videos a week, that's 84 videos on 4 different platforms, 84 opportunities for you to go viral on one of those platforms. Honestly, if you follow everything I'm showing you today, there is no reason why you shouldn't see crazy views, okay? So when you're posting, like I said, post onto TikTok, repost on all the other platforms. It's so important. This can get you results faster than it would if you just post it on one platform. You're probably wondering, Patrick, how am I going to convert those views into sales? Okay, so that's a great question because a lot of people do struggle with that, like getting viral views, but not making too many sales or making no sales, right? So number one, you want to find a product that actually fits the audience you're advertising to. So people on short form platforms are typically people, who don't have a huge budget, don't have a lot of money. So you don't want to sell high ticket or expensive products to them. You want to find a product that fits the audience, fits that niche. That's why crease guards, for example, worked really good because it's a lower ticket product. It's cheap and you can make good profit on it and still make it consistent, 10K a month in revenue with this simple product. Next thing is importance of your offer. Like an offer is so important. You can do a buy one, get one free. You can do free plus shipping. These types of offers work really good with short form platforms. Keep in mind the offer is one of the most important parts. Make sure you have an offer that works with your product. You have to let people know that they can buy the product. And this is by commenting after you post, having a link in your bio, posting on your story, responding to comments, right? Doing all of this on all the platforms is going to help convert your traffic into sales. So if you're watching this and you want to take action and you see the possibilities with this business model, remember, if you're going to take on this journey and you're going to go solo, there's going to be a lot of roadblocks and ups and downs you're going to go through. So if you want me to be personally invested in your success, then keep listening as I have a few more spots left in my one-on-one mentorship program. I will be with you step by step along the way. I will be there to pick your first untapped product to sell. I will build your store. I will make you custom content of the product you're selling, and we will even get you a private fulfillment team to help you fulfill all your orders one-on-one. When all that is said and done, I will as well guide you on how to launch your videos, how to scale your brand, how to manage the entire brand, to help you scale to at least 10K a month in revenue. So if you're looking for some one-on-one support and you're ready to finally take action and you're ready to finally connect the dots with dropshipping and you're tired of just watching on the sidelines and seeing all these people having success with this business model, then click the first link in the description. You'll be able to schedule a call with me where I'll see if you're a good fit for the mentorship program. If we are certain that we can help you reach your goals, then we will offer you a spot in the program. So that is it for today. Click the link in the description if you're ready to get started. Let's work together. And then also make sure you check out these two videos so you can get some more information on how to get started with dropshipping.